for a pose called Chaturanga Dandasana, otherwise known as high plank. So starting on your mat, I like to start with my hands first, and you're stepping back into a high plank, so extending your legs to the bottom of your mat, fingertips are nice and wide, hands stacked underneath your shoulders, and I'm engaging my quads, engaging my core, my glutes as well. You want to keep everything nice and tight, and I'm actively trying to press the floor away from me. So it's a very active pose. I'm lengthening through the crown of my head and also lengthening through my heels. So imagine that you're spreading in two directions. Another variation as well is to just lower your knees to the mat if you find that that's a bit more comfortable for you, if you're still building up that strength. So coming back through into the high plank and then tucking your elbows nice and close towards your side body, lowering through what do we call Chaturanga. And then from Chaturanga, we untuck our toes and press up into an upward facing dog. So that is typically what you do in a flow. So you'd go from your high plank down through Chaturanga, inhaling through an upward facing dog, and then exhaling into downward facing dog, tailbone to the sky. So that is what we call typically a flow, when people say, take your flow to your downward facing dog. And again, coming forward, you can ripple forward into a high plank, back into the starting shape that we had in the beginning. Great. So feel free to give that a try and let me know how it goes. And feel free to come back to this video at any moment you need just to reference it or learn a bit more.